Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to use a cantaloupe to trap roly-polies. Here's a clip from the show. So, roly-polies tend to like to be in the garden, and sometimes they get a little overwhelming. And what we want to do is to create some traps for them and to catch them and get them out of the garden. So one of the best things for a trap is cantaloupe. So what you do is you take your cantaloupe, you cut it in half, you scoop out the seeds, and then you scoop out the part that you want to eat. And then you take the cantaloupe and you're going to lay this in the garden. You're going to lay it in upside down with just a little bit of space. You can take a rock, or I have this up on the brick where the roly-polies can crawl down in underneath there. And then early in the morning you come out, and this will be full of roly-polies, and you scoop those out. You can set this back down. Now, this cantaloupe will last 3 or 4 days depending on the heat. Then it's going to mold and rot. Then you throw that in the compost pile. If you still have excess roly-polies, you can go ahead and do another cantaloupe. Honeydew also works. I've used that as well. But the key is to get here early in the morning, get the roly-polies scooped out. You can feed them to the chickens. I don't know what else you do with roly-polies. We feed them to the chickens, but you can dispose of them any way you need to, and then you can set your trap up and go again. So we're going to leave this trap here. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.